welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if clothing videos sound good to you, then please subscribe below. For returner viewers, thank you guys so much for watching. That's very, very much appreciated. I appreciate your support and your comments and all that. Today I am doing a Amazon Prime unboxing video. There's no box, so I guess it's an unbagging video. Basically, if you're not familiar with what Amazon Prime does, they just have a try before you buy service where you can send yourself anywhere from 3 to 8 items off of what they have selected available to send to yourself. So not all their clothing items are available for the try before you buy. So it can be a little bit of a hunting game. I've kind of learned how to navigate the filtering and stuff like that to make it a little bit more speedy, because sometimes you would click on something that says Prime Wardrobe and then your size or your color or whatever was not Prime Wardrobe. So there is a little bit of a hunting process with it, but that can be a fun process. So I've done some Prime Wardrobes where there's no theme whatsoever. I'm just going out and trying some stuff. I've done some where I'm putting together outfit. This time I decided to do everything under $25 because frequently what I was sending myself is similar prices as I would get in the other style boxes. And to me, one of the benefits of the Amazon Prime is maybe you could pick out some more affordable stuff for yourself. So that was my challenge, everything 25 and under. I tried to get items from different, clothes categories, sweater, blouse, dress, pant, jean, that type of thing. So I tried to get a wide variety of stuff. So let's see what we have in here, see if it's any good, see what we think of all this. And I will provide links for everything below so you guys can just go out and purchase anything that looks good to you. So let's dig on into this. Okay, everything comes pre-packaged. So I'm going to quickly unpackage all of this because this is unpleasant noise for everybody, and then we'll start actually reviewing everything. Okay, I have it all out of the bags. I haven't really unwrapped anything, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to just do prices as I open stuff up just to refresh myself, and since this isn't a one that's like, oh, surprise, what are the prices? So, okay, so this is, I don't even know why I picked this out. Look at this bright, bright pink. This is a legging by Adidas, a workout legging, and I mean, that's bright. I'm really not sure what I was thinking, but I just apparently thought it was a good idea. It's $19.97. I mean, a good price for a legging, I guess, but it's awfully bright. Okay, so far weird, but again, I picked this out for myself. Strange. Okay, then we have this blazer here, and it is by a buyer, and it's a junior's long sleeve button welt jacket in small. I went with a small because it is a junior's size, and this one I did cheat a little bit on price. It is $28.78, but it's just a nice black blazer. It kind of has this band in the back, almost kind of has a little bit of a peplum type look to it maybe. So this looks like a great jacket though. I really like this. Okay, next up we have the Noisy May women's inso sleeveless knit dress in extra small, and this is just a gray dress, kind of a rounded shape to it. It's kind of a strange shape here at the bottom, but it could be a very flattering shape, so we shall see. This one is $22.61, so hopefully that will fit. And then we have a couple of these are Amazon essentials, so I'm very interested to try that since they have their own brand of certain things. This is the women's lightweight open front cardigan sweater in navy, and this is extra small. Looks like it might be a little bit big, but yeah, it's lightweight, but it still feels really good quality. So I'm really happy with that for being $18. So $18 for this cardigan. Yeah, I'd pay that. Okay, next up we have, this is a buyer again, and this is Junior pencil skirt. And, you know, I didn't size up on this one properly, not thinking about the fact it was juniors, and I left it as a small. Should have sized up to a medium. My bad. But again, that's the fun of the try before you buy, is you can figure out what size works for you, and I could size up and buy off Amazon if I want. This one is called the A-Buyer Junior Pull-On Slim Fitting Pencil Skirt in black, and it is small. It is $24.99. Okay, next up we have a Daily Ritual, which I already have a Daily Ritual top and a few Daily Ritual tops and really like them. This is just a nice gray flowy shirt. And this is the Jersey long sleeve scoop neck swing shirt in charcoal heather gray, and it's $16, size extra small. And then we have another Amazon essential, which is just this purple, I guess I'd call it, maybe like a plum. This is like I said, this is another Amazon essential, and it is the women's lightweight V-neck tunic sweater, burgundy, extra small. So there you go. And then last up we have the juniors. I got just a pair of khakis, the 5-pocket straight leg pant, and this is Dickies, and this is $18.70. I just always use, you know, more khakis. Partially I wear khakis for golfing, and it's good to have those. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm not a huge khaki person, so I think I just kind of got them because they fit within my price range. Oh, did I say what they were? $18.70. Okay, so got some good pieces here. This is obviously not the best prime wardrobe box, but you know, I was trying to see what I could get on a budget, and I don't know, it was a little bit hit or miss, but let's go ahead and get this stuff on and figure out what we actually like. Okay, first off, we have this gray jersey tee. Has a scoop neck on it, and it's just kind of a longer, not quite tunic, but longer flowy type shirt. I love it. I think it fits great. Again, would be great under some cardigans, things like that. So definite winner in my opinion. The leggings I think feel great. It's got this thick elastic band on it, which I love because it just feels like it's holding me in. They fit well. The length, they're not too long. I always have to pay very close attention to length on leggings so that they're not scrunched at the bottom, because that does not look cool. So there you go. There's some bright pink leggings. So I would like these if they were in a different color, and I am working out now, so I am looking for some workout leggings and stuff. So I think these might be more lounging leggings than workout leggings, but I don't know. They feel great. So, all right, let's move to the next outfit. Okay, this next outfit is not great. So first of all, the sweater, the sleeves are a bit too long. I could roll them up, but this is just much more of a tunic length than I expected, and I'm not a huge tunic and legging wearer, so this, I just would not wear this. So this sweater is a pass, and then these pants are bad. They're so bad. Just for me and my style. There's nothing wrong, like, quality-wise, but they're low-rise. I mean, these are pants I would have bought years ago. Low-rise, and then, like, flare leg, and they're way too long. It's just bad. So let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so I tried to get the pencil skirt on, and it's not happening. It's a pull-on, and it made it about here. So, my bad for ordering the wrong size. It was juniors, and I should have gone up a bit. But here's the cardigan and the gray dress. So the cardigan I really like. It's just a simple, very simple cardigan, but I think it's cute. It is a little bit big overall. You can see the sleeves are a little bit long here and have a little bit bagginess, but I don't know that I'm going to let that stop me, because it is a cute cardigan and I might keep it even though it is slightly big. It is affordable and it's not too bad. So I like it. And then the dress is weird. maybe not weird, maybe weird's not fair look. It's just not really my style. So it's got this really small opening at the bottom of the legs, and then it balloons out here. So the good news is it doesn't hug things back here too much, so that's good. But it's just, like I said, a very kind of bizarre shape. So not really my thing, so this will not be a keeper. Let's throw on the blazer now. This is our last piece. Okay, so blazer. Again, I think it's slightly big. The sleeves are a little bit long on me, and it could stand to be a little bit more fitted. Here it is on the back. It's cute though. I like it. I just wish, I think it's the sleeve length that bothers me. I think the rest of it is okay. Just the sleeve length is just, I don't know. I don't feel super professional when just like my fingers are peeking out from the sleeve. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this. Alright, so for the recap, I've already gone over the prices at the beginning. Plus I did like a little caption of everything so you know what everything costs. So we'll just talk about what I'm considering keeping and wrap things up quickly. Alright guys, well, I will say my attempt to do a very affordable Amazon Prime haul was not great. There was a lot of pieces that I couldn't even remember why on earth I sent it to myself. Some pieces that didn't work. There were a couple pieces that did work. Basically this cardigan, which is $18, which is a great price for this cardigan. And then this Daily Ritual shirt, which is the jersey long sleeve scoop neck shirt, and $16. I think these are my keepers from this, so it is not all lost, but hopefully it was still interesting to you guys. Sorry I didn't get to try on the skirt, which was just way too tiny, so lesson learned there. Hopefully you guys still had fun. Hopefully you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to me if you are not subscribed already, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.